Hey everyone, welcome back to Rosetta Vera. It's Danielle. I'm opening the retro pack for Stickii Club for April. So let's get into it. So the theme for the month is vintage Japanese. I'm already seeing some things that look familiar to me, so I don't know how I'm going to feel about this one. So here you have, I'm trying to see if it's supposed to be a paper crane. It's hard to tell what this is supposed to be as far as the paper clip goes. If you can figure it out, let me know in the comments below. So that's that. There is a pad with a fan. I mean, not fan, umbrella. So you have umbrella and then you have shoes here. So that's that. There is a small sheet of stickers with, I'm trying to figure out, I'm not sure if those, I don't think those are fans. So that's that. And then I see another large sticker with a bird on it. And then for the sticker flakies, there's actually, are these sticker flakies? Let's find out. Not sure. So what I'm seeing here is actually some square stickers. The reason why I said these look familiar to me is I have similar stickers from AliExpress. You may have noticed in one of my AliExpress hauls that I have square stickers and circle stickers that are very similar to these, except they don't have gold foil like these do. So that's one set, and then there's a second set of square stickers. Let's see what they look like. And they are just gold foil. So it's just a bunch of gold squares. So those are the things on the front. In the back, and this is very familiar, very similar to the stickers that I talked about, you have one sheet of little square stickers. There is a set of stickers that I bought from AliExpress. The stickers are closer to this size, but the patterns are very similar to this, whereas these are very tiny. Same thing, similar to these circles. I have some that are the same size as the squares here. So I have to think about which AliExpress haul that was, but if I find the link, I'll put it below. So if you wanted something similar, but maybe a little larger, you could find them on AliExpress. Next, we have a sheet of stickers with different lamps and teapots. Then we have a set of stickers with geisha girls. Yeah, not sure how I'm feeling about this set. And then the last sheet is different bonsai gardens, if I'm seeing this correctly. So that's everything for the retro pack of Stickii Club. Not sure how I feel about this one. Very, very conflicted because, like I said, I have something very similar to these already. I'm not sure how I feel about these geisha girls. Yeah, that one I'm thinking about. I do think there's stuff here that I would use. It's just, like I said, I have something like this already. And the geisha girls, I don't know how I feel about the cultural appropriation of geishas and stickers. I mean, I know some people may say I'm thinking too hard, but it bothers me a little bit. So that's it for the retro pack of Stickii Club for April. Let me know what you think of the stickers. I will try to find that link and put it below. Thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you like my content, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.